Good morning, everyone. Do you want to get paid in dollars just for uploading or reposting videos? Well, this is a good opportunity to do so. This amazing platform, as you can see on my screen, pays you daily for your content, whether it is original or reposted. It's super easy. All you need to do is upload your videos or share the content you love. And as you do that, you get paid for each video you post every day. So as you can see on my screen, my last payment, or my latest payment rather, is on the 7th of July, which is yesterday, 7th of July 2024, and I was paid $0.99, which is equivalent to approximately $1. So all you need to do on this platform is post videos and you get paid. This is not something you've heard before. This is not TikTok monetization program that requires you to have 10,000 followers before you can be granted access to the TikTok creator program. Neither is it YouTube monetization program where you need to have 1,000 subscribers before you can be accepted into a program. The moment you get started and you start uploading, from day one you start making money. So as you can see on my screen below, I have my current balance is $11.88. So if you are interested and you want to get started, I'll be leaving a link below my YouTube video. Make sure you click the link below to get started. Thank you.
I want all this money. Don't want to take the same step where I take last year when I work for me. Oh Lord, as I grind, I hustle, bless me with this money. But on your hand that day, I say make you run out for me. Oh. If we don't make money, wait till we get. Wait till we get.